Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to make a playlist on Spotify. So guys, this process is the same with iOS and Android. And first thing you will do is go to your library, and then from here click the add a button on the right top corner of the screen, and then from here you can click playlist. And then from here guys, you will give your playlist a name. So I'm gonna type in Savvy for this playlist, and from here you can just click add to the playlist, and it will give you some suggested song that you might want to add to your playlist. So in order for you to add, just tap on the music and it will automatically add. And you can also use this search button in order for you to add more music that you prefer, and just click add guys and it will automatically add on your playlist. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching guys. See ya.